Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. This is day 47 and today we are looking at calculation options. So in this workbook, I have two options to calculate. So the first option is I can calculate automatically and the second option is manual calculation. So automatic calculation, what it does is as you edit a particular cell, all linked cells automatically calculates the answer. So if a cell changes, all the linked cells, they respond to that change. Whereas manual calculation doesn't automatically change. It waits for you to push it to do a calculation. To see the calculation method you are using, you go to formulas, and under formulas, you go to calculation options. So you can see here, my automatic calculation is ticked, so it means I'm using the automatic calculation. And if I change, for example, here to 200, you can see that this still automatically changes. And if I change this back to 100, you can see that here it also automatically changes. And if I go back to calculation options, I have another option which is to calculate manually, which means that as I change here, linked cells don't change. So you can see here, it's not changing. So what I have to do is to calculate, to say calculate now, and click calculate now, and it calculates now the total. So you might ask, what are the benefits of using automatic and what are the benefits of using manual? As you have seen that using automatic calculation, as you change a certain variable, all the linked cells changes. So you don't run a risk of forgetting to change a certain cell or to change a certain range of cells before sending out or before printing your reports. So that is ideal when you want to do quick calculations and to show the results immediately. However, the drawback of that is each time you make a small change, a lot of other linked cells will be also moving or will be changing. So if you have a big spreadsheet which has a lot of data, it might cause speed problems. So if you're experiencing speed problems with your worksheet, then it might be ideal for you to try and change your calculations to manual so that you can edit a lot of cells and just do a batch update by clicking the calculate now. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.